Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn fast kickoffs in Rocket League. To begin, focus on the core idea, reaching the ball first with maximum speed and control. This involves a precise combination of boosting and flipping. Your goal is to hit the ball with power and accuracy, setting yourself up for an immediate follow-up play. Mastering this initial step is crucial for gaining an early advantage in every match, giving you a significant edge over your opponents. The diagonal flip kickoff is a highly effective technique. As soon as the countdown ends, drive forward and immediately begin boosting. After about 1 car length, execute a diagonal flip, aiming your car's corner towards the ball. Continue boosting through the flip and impact. This method allows you to generate significant speed and power, often beating your opponent to the ball and creating an offensive opportunity. Effective boost management and precise timing are key to consistent fast kickoffs. Avoid holding down the boost button unnecessarily. Instead, feather it to maintain speed while conserving your precious 100 boost. Your flip should be timed to make contact with the ball at the exact moment you reach it, ideally just before your opponent. This precision ensures you get the most powerful and controlled touch, dictating the play. To truly master fast kickoffs, consistent practice is essential. Spend time in custom training, packs specifically designed for kickoffs. These provide endless repetitions. Watch professional Rocket League players to understand their varied approaches and adapt their successful strategies. Finally, always focus on your car's recovery immediately after the kickoff. Being ready for the next touch, whether offensive or defensive, is vital for maintaining control of the game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.